Multiply the easy way. Fractions and whole numbers. Hello learners. Welcome back to our Introduction to English series. Today we have a very interesting topic to discuss: multiplying fractions by whole numbers. Don't worry if this sounds complicated. We're going to take it step by step. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. A fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. It has two parts: a numerator, the top number, and a denominator, the bottom number. The numerator tells us how many parts we have, and the denominator tells us how many parts make up a whole. On the other hand, a whole number is simply a number without fractions. It can be 0 or any positive number without any decimal or fractional parts. Examples of whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Multiplication is a mathematical operation where you add a number to itself a certain number of times. For example, multiplying 2 by 3 means you're adding 2 to itself 3 times. So, 2 times 3 equals 6. When it comes to multiplying fractions and whole numbers, it's not much different. So, how do we multiply fractions by whole numbers? It's quite straightforward. Here are the steps. 1. First, convert the whole number into a fraction by placing it over 1. For instance, if our whole number is 3, we turn it into the fraction 3 over 1. 2. Second, multiply the numerator of the fraction by the numerator of the whole number, now converted to a fraction. 3. Finally, the denominator of the fraction stays the same. Let's take an example. 1/2 multiplied by 3. Following our steps, we first convert 3 to a fraction, 3 over 1. Then we multiply the numerators, 1 times 3 equals 3, and keep the denominator of the fraction the same, 2. So, 1/2 multiplied by 3 equals 3/2. And that's it, folks. That's how you multiply fractions by whole numbers. Remember, with practice, everything becomes easier. So keep practicing and soon multiplying fractions by whole numbers will be second nature to you. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey, especially when it comes to understanding fractions and multiplication. Until next time, happy learning!